I'm TakiyahLouise. Thanks for clicking through to view this video of me reviewing the Baby Brush Crush by Drybar. Now, I previously blew out my hair with the Revlon one-step dryer and styler, and that was my previous video. I hope you've watched that one. If you haven't, please take a look at it after this video. I blew my hair out, and then I used a flat iron on one side of my hair and then the Baby Brush Crush on the other side, and this is just what it looks like. It's the mini straightening iron brush that they have from the Drybar, and I believe this was $59 from Ulta. And you can see like the size of this brush compared to my hand, and the little bristles and the heating elements are firm, and then it has some little flexible bristles on the side, but then it has the on-off switch right here, and it heats up to 400 degrees. So if you'd like to see which side was Brush Crush and which side was a flat iron, go ahead and keep watching. Let's get started. Did you guess right on which side I did with a flat iron and which side I did with a baby brush crush? If you did, congratulations. I'm not sure how you did it because I feel like both sides are equally as sleek and they feel the same smoothness and they feel like they have the same amount of shine to them. And I really think this is a wonderful tool because of the smallness of it. It's able to grab onto your hairs a little more tightly than other brushes that I've used in the past that had wider plates. I like the fact that these plates are closer together, and then it has the little bristles on the side that also can grab onto your hair and smooth through to the heating elements. So if you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate everything that you do for me, and thanks for watching. Until the next video, take care.